Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I am making an easy method of egg veg fried rice. It's a simple recipe without any Chinese sauces and masalas. This is the task given by the one of my viewer, that is Midhuna, and see the recipe how I am making. It's you reached this recipe or not, and comment. Veg fried rice without any masalas and Chinese sauces. Okay, see the Midhuna how I am making. Let's catch. The ingredients are oil, eggs, 2 eggs, 1 cup of rice, green chilies slices, chili powder and salt, tofu paneer, lemon, carrot chopped fine, onion slices, beans chopped, coriander for garnish. This is the recipe for egg veg fried rice with home recipe. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Take the 2 eggs and beat it. Whisk it nicely. Then make a egg omelette and cut into pieces. Add a little bit of salt and sugar powder. And whisk it. Pour oil. Then add whisked omelette and cook it. Then cut into cubes, small cubes. Then make into like these pieces, small, and keep it in a side. Keep the vessel and pour oil. Add carrot chop, beans chopped, and add little bit of salt. Fry it nicely until it's done. Then add tofu paneer, and green chilies. Cook for 2 minutes, little bit brown color. After cooked vegetables, carrot, beans and green chilies. Then add rice and mix it nicely. And add salt. Salt has check the seasoning. Then add chili powder. How much you want spicy. See how it looks, carrots, green, orange, all colorful items. Next adding yellow, then add coriander leaves. Next add egg burji. First we have made that one and mix it without any sauces and masalas. I am making with only chili powder and salt and vegetables. It's a healthy recipe. And add lemon juice or vinegar, anything. Lemon juice is very healthy than vinegar. Finally, egg veg fried rice is done, and now I am taking to the serving bowl. First add onions on top. I will show the garnish now. Set it like this. Set it like this. Then corianders. See how it looks, and a little bit of chili powder, and again egg fried rice veg on top. See how I am adding, and set it like this full. Now I am demolding. See how I remove the bowl. Keep like this. Wow, nice garnish. On top again add coriander leaves. Yes, I am tasting now. No masala, no spicy. It's totally for non-spicy people, and this recipe was very good. Egg and veggies, carrot, beans, and tofu. Tofu, I will see tofu. Yes. This is on tofu dices. You can see in first. This is not in paneer. It's made with soya. Same like paneer only. It will give rich proteins. The task is completed, Miduna. You can follow this recipe. And thanks for sharing your ideas. Homemade how to make an egg veg fried rice in easy way. Thank you so much for this recipe, and follow it's correct or wrong, I don't know.